I would like to introduce you to the HAZET Wash-gun 9048P-2/3 today. The wash-gun represents a consistent enhancement of the cooling system cleaner. The wash-gun is also equipped with our proven handle for comfortable use. The rear handle is ergonomically curved so that it fits seamlessly into your hand. It is equipped with a palpable profile that provides an especially good grip. Trigger and valve are made from acetate plastic. A spring made of hardened spring steel, and seals and O-rings made of nitrile, in addition to a special valve mechanism, ensure long service life. The Wash-gun 9048P-2/3 from HAZET produces the best cleaning performance through the combined use of water and compressed air. It has a 360-degree rotatable Gardena system-compatible connecting nipple for water couplings, which supplies the pistol with water. The amount of water can be conveniently adjusted on the wash-gun via the lever in the middle of the unit, and can also be turned off. The compressed air can be conveniently controlled via the wide trigger. The graduated system cleaner nozzle is connected via a bayonet fitting, and even without additives, the 9048P-2/3 quickly and effectively cleans the cooling system, and quickly recovers to full efficiency. The 5-step nozzle is simply inserted into the cooling system hose until it sits at the appropriate level and seals tightly. The system is then flushed with water and compressed air by pressing the blue trigger. Thanks to the optimized transmission ratio of the levers, air and water can be finely dosed. The wash-gun can also be used as a gentle replacement for high-pressure cleaners. The set 9048P-2/3 includes a wash nozzle, which can also be mounted via the bayonet fitting. In conjunction with this nozzle, system parts, vehicles and components can be conveniently washed with no splashback, providing you with yet another handy function. Clever, affordable and effective cleaning with the HAZET Wash-gun 9048P-2/3.